Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. In the mid-1970s, America built cars differently. Bigger, heavier, more luxurious. And few cars captured that spirit better than the 1976 Lincoln Continental. This was not just a car, it was a statement of success, comfort, and prestige. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the last true American land yachts, its history, design, interior comfort, performance, and why it still commands respect nearly 5 decades later. The Lincoln Continental name dates back to 1939, originally created as a personal luxury car for Henry Ford himself. Over the decades, Continental became synonymous with presidential limousines, elite status, and American craftsmanship. By the time we reach 1976, the Continental was in its 5th generation, a period where Lincoln focused on comfort above all else. This was a challenging time for the auto industry, emissions regulations, fuel crises, and changing consumer expectations. Yet Lincoln stayed true to its identity. Instead of shrinking immediately, they refined what they already did best: luxury, silence, and presence. Interestingly, the 1976 model carried over the same body design from 1975, a rare move at the time. Lincoln instead focused on equipment changes, pricing flexibility, and refinement. And for the coupe lovers, 1976 was the final year of the legendary Continental Mark IV, before the Mark V took over, making this year especially collectible. Exterior design. The first thing you notice about the 1976 Continental is its sheer size. Stretching over 19 feet long, it dominates the road even while standing still. The front end features a bold, upright grille, unmistakably Lincoln, flanked by wide rectangular headlights. Chrome is everywhere, but never excessive. It's elegant, confident, and unapologetically American. The long hood, flat roofline, and massive rear deck give the car a formal, almost architectural presence. Every line is straight, strong, and deliberate. Key exterior highlights: thick chrome bumpers front and rear, wide body panels with deep paint finishes, optional vinyl roof with opera windows, elegant wool covers and white wall tires, formal rear styling with wide tail lamps. The Continental doesn't chase trends, it defines authority. Whether parked or cruising, it looks like a car meant for CEOs, diplomats, and heads of state. Interior and luxury. Open the door, and you step into a world completely different from modern cars. The interior of the 1976 Lincoln Continental was designed to feel like a private lounge on wheels. Seats are wide, soft, and deeply cushioned, built for long drives, not aggressive cornering. Whether trimmed in leather or plush velour, comfort is immediate. The dashboard features simulated wood grain, chrome accents, and large easy-to-read gauges. Everything is laid out with simplicity and elegance in mind. Luxury features included or available: power seats and power windows, automatic climate control, AM/FM radio with optional 8-track player, Cartier clock, especially on Mark IV, thick carpeting and padded door panels. The rear seat offers limousine-like legroom, making this a true full-size luxury sedan. Road noise is nearly non-existent, thanks to heavy insulation and soft suspension tuning. In 1976, this interior represented the peak of American comfort, not digital, not minimalist, but warm, inviting, and luxurious. Ride quality and comfort. Driving the 1976 Continental is a unique experience. The suspension is tuned for softness. Bumps disappear. Cracks in the road feel distant. The car glides rather than drives. Steering is light and effortless. You don't fight the wheel, you guide it. This was intentional. Lincoln designed this car for calm, relaxed driving. At highway speeds, the Continental feels completely at home. The cabin remains quiet, the engine barely audible, and the ride exceptionally smooth. This is not a car you rush, it encourages you to slow down and enjoy the journey. Engine and performance. Under the hood sits one of America's most legendary engines, the 460 cubic inch V8, or 7.5 liters. In 1976, due to emissions regulations, horsepower was reduced compared to earlier years. But torque remained strong, and that's what mattered. Performance specs. 7.5L V8 engine. Around 202 to 224 horsepower. Over 350 lb-ft of torque. 3-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive. Acceleration is smooth, not aggressive. The Continental moves forward with authority, not urgency. Fuel economy? Let's just say this was never its priority. This car was engineered for effortless cruising, not speed records. Mark IV and Designer Editions. The Continental Mark IV deserves special mention. This personal luxury coupe offered bold styling, hidden headlamps, and exclusive Designer Series editions. Designer Series included Cartier, Bill Blass, Givenchy, Emilio Pucci. Each came with unique colors, interiors, and trim, blending high fashion with automotive luxury. These editions helped make the Mark IV one of the most successful luxury coupes of the decade. Cultural impact. The 1976 Lincoln Continental symbolized success. It appeared in executive parking lots, luxury neighborhoods, and popular media. It was a car that told the world you had arrived. It also marked the end of an era, before downsizing, before efficiency took over, before luxury became digital. The 1976 Lincoln Continental represents the final chapter of truly massive American luxury cars. It's not about speed. Not about technology. It's about presence, comfort, and character. In a world of shrinking cars and digital dashboards, the Continental reminds us of a time when luxury meant space, silence, and confidence. If you ever drive one, you won't just feel the road, you'll feel history. OUTRO. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell us, which classic luxury car should we cover next?